Hello, I'm Joel Ong, and my project is entitled Terra Et Venti. Terra Et Venti, or Between the Ground and the Wind, is a speculative research project that explores the role that synthetic biology may play in planetary-style geoengineering and weather modification practices in the future. I would describe my project as a work of bioart that builds on a tradition of treating the genetic sequences as a medium for artistic expression through a multimodal installation. In Terra Et Venti, the ice-nucleation activity of the aerial bacterium Pseudomonas Syringae is simulated with parametric speakers tracing lines across the space as a digital version of a cloud is created in real time. The computational system presented in the gallery generates text for insertion into the genome of a specific bacteria. In addition, the project features artistic renderings of the biological processes of the P. syringae bacterium. Terra Et Venti is part of a larger research creation process that aims to effect a perspectival shift in our relationships with the environment. Its speculative artistic process begins in the field with weather balloons and environmental sensors that observe and catalog the aerial microbiome. Through lab work done at the Gutman Lab at the University of Toronto, collaborations with aerial bacteria such as P. syringae occur through experimental transgenics and benchtop ice nucleation and crystallizations. Finally, in silico experiments include computational modeling and animation that pay homage to the history of atmospheric science. Sentience is a central idea in this triptych of activities, not so much as a form of human-centric perception of utility or function, but as a continual revelation of the ubiquity of the microbiome and its effect on and through our bodies beyond any kind of human direction. These microbial sages quite literally determine our survival in all of our environmental, sensorial, and psychological ecologies. Amongst the great prophets of technology, mathematician Charles Babbage was particularly conscious of the way air could be seen as an infinite database. In 1837, he described how the air we breathe is a never-failing historian of the sentiments we have uttered, where the atmosphere itself contains human conversation, environmental utterances, and all sound. What if we could organize particles in the air, or reconfigure the air itself to hold and reveal such utterances? How would the wind recast narratives of multi-species empathy, and how would we listen to it? Using the archetype of frozen sound, Terra Et Venti engages with the aesthetics and ethics of revelation through the observation and collaboration with the aerial microbiome. Thank you for joining us in this artist capsule.